Hi, welcome back to BLUETTI Support. Power shouldn't weigh you down, it should be ready whenever you are. And today we're making that happen. This unit comes with built-in wheels and a telescopic handle, so you can roll it around without breaking a sweat. Meet the BLUETTI Elite 400, our brand new portable powerhouse. This unit packs serious energy into a smaller, lighter body, saving you space on the go. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to get started. Under the hood, the Elite 400 packs safe, long-lasting lithium iron phosphate batteries, providing 3,840 watt-hours of reliable power that handles every backup need with ease. You've got 4 AC outlets and 5 DC outputs, ready to juice up everything from your daily essentials to your favorite gadgets. Right above the USB ports, these a crisp LCD display with intuitive control buttons. On the right side, you'll find the circuit breaker, AC input and grounding terminal, clean, simple and well organized. For charging, the Elite 400 gives you options: wall outlet, car or even solar. You can always grab car or solar charging cables right from our official website. And yes, you can even do dual charging with AC and solar, hitting up to 2,800 watts of input power. That's enough to get it to 80% charge in just 70 minutes. Heavy loads? Easy peasy. This beast delivers 2,600 watts of continuous power and cranks it up to 3,900 watts in powerlifting mode. Unlike most portable power stations, the Elite 400 is made to move with you. Wherever life takes you, your power follows. It's also got you back during blackouts with a lightning-fast 15 millisecond UPS, keeping everything running steady. Plus, it only sips about 3 watts on its own. Put simply, it's incredibly efficient, ready to roll anytime, even after months in storage. Pair it with the BLUETTI app and you're in the driver's seat. Monitor real-time power flow. Toggle AC or DC outputs from anywhere, or set timers to match your day. Smaller body, faster charging, better mobility, that's the all-new Elite 400. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.